Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add soundboard sounds to Discord. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and open your server. So this is what I'm going to be using now. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then we're going to open the server settings. Here in the server settings, you have here soundboard. Go ahead and click that one. Now I don't have anything here yet, so we're going to upload. I'm going to click this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the browse button. And then we're just going to go ahead and find that one. So I'm going to head over to my stock music, and here I'm just going to go ahead and try to use this one right here. So this is a camera click, and yeah, I'm just gonna choose this one. So there you go. So yeah, that's what you should do. You want it to basically be able to start right away as soon as you click it. And then here I'm just going to go ahead and name this one a camera click, just like so. And then I'm going to click this one in order for me to be able to find some sort of emoji that fits it. For example, this one, and then click upload. Alright, so as you can see, we now have it here. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to join a voice channel. And here in the voice channel, I'm going to click this one right here. This is open soundboard. And then you have the camera click here. So you're going to click this one. There you go, in order for it to work. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.